This circuit is very sensitive and can easily be used to sense cold or low temperature. It can activate any device connected with the relay on your desired coldness low temperature. The temperature sensing is done by an NTC thermistor. When temperature increases, its resistance decreases, and at low temperature, its resistance is increased. The operating voltage of this circuit is 9 to 12 volts. A 100K thermistor is used to sense the temperature, and 22N4401 NPN transistors are used as switches in this circuit. Initially, at high temperatures, the resistance of the thermistor will be minimum and it will keep the circuit deactivated. When the temperature is low, thermistor's resistance is increased and it will activate the transistor. The transistor Q1 will now give 0.7 V at the base of the transistor Q2, which switches on and activates the relay. A 10K variable resistor or a potentiometer is used to adjust the circuit to activate the relay at your desired low temperature. The relay used in the circuit should have the same value as the input voltage. Since we have a relay switch at the output of this circuit, you can connect any load like a fan, etc., to operate it at your desired temperature. In this part, we are making a project of a simple temperature sensor circuit. This circuit activates an LED when it senses or receives heat, so you can also call this circuit a heat sensor circuit. Apart from its uses, if you are a beginner who just wants to make an easy and interesting project, this circuit is ideal for you. This circuit is very sensitive to heat since we connected two transistors as a Darlington pair. Other than that, we have used an LED along with a current limiting resistor, a variable resistor, and a thermistor. Thermistors are used to limit the passage of current through them according to the temperature. When the temperature is low, they have higher resistance, and as the temperature increases, their resistance starts decreasing, allowing the current to flow. Both the transistors are BC547. These transistors are NPN bipolar junction transistors. They are mainly used to amplify the current. A small current at its base controls a large current at emitter and collector terminals. The working of this circuit is simple. It is operating at 9 volts. Initially, when there is no heat, the circuit will remain turned off. When the thermistor receives heat, its resistance will be decreased and it will let the current flow. This will activate both the transistors and the voltage will be passed to LED and it will light up. A variable resistor of 20K ohms is used to adjust the circuit for activation of LED on the required temperature or heat. This device is ideal to use where you don't want any device or equipment to be overheated. The circuit is compact, so it can fit anywhere. For example, using as fan flow controller to keep the board cool. Inrush current limiter in power supply boards. And battery circuit breaker when heating the battery.